Hello friends and welcome to Coin Mühendisi Global. Our fifth video of Introduction to Technical Analysis series is about where to put our stop loss and when to take our profit. But before we start, I would like to say that you can have all the crypto information you need for free from our YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and keep the notifications on for our upcoming videos. If you are new at trading, then soon you will find out that it is not easy to make money if you don't know where to stop and when to take profit. So you most probably will end up losing most or maybe all of your money in a day. After all, it is good to see some green on the screen, am I right? It's almost like we want to have a look at it for the rest of your life. After all, who wouldn't like to see some profit on their screen? But if you don't know where to take your profit and where to put your stop loss, then you will lose all that profit, in some cases even within seconds. For example, let's say that you have entered a trade in here because you have thought that it would be a good idea to enter now, since the price fell rapidly down to this support level. Support resistance zones, trend lines and indicators sure give the idea to enter and exit into a trade, but it doesn't mean that every time you see a green candle or every time a price falls into a support level that you should buy and wait. Don't forget, the market price is the big boss here, not the indicators or support resistance levels, meaning that the price can go down or up rapidly and suddenly. So you need to have a strategy to protect your money. With that being said, let's talk about where to put our stop loss. There are several techniques regarding where to put our stop loss. Some people uses the moving average technique, some people uses 2% gap, and some others uses the support resistance levels to where to put their stop loss limits. Alright, let's start with the support resistance zone. As you can imagine, we need to draw a few support resistance zones in here. It shouldn't be too hard. Let's put one here, and there is another one right here. There's a third one, fourth one right here, fifth one, and sixth one, so on. Anyways, now let's say that we have entered a trade in here, right? If we did enter a trade in here, and if we are targeting the next resistance level, since we have entered on the previous support level, we need to look at the previous candles regarding how much they exceeded. If they exceeded till this point, then my stop loss level will be somewhere slightly lower than that point. This is the first way. The second way is, let's say you want to be a day trader, meaning that you will be actively doing trades during the day, and the average trade ratio per day per person should be about 5 to 6 trades. So if you are intending to do 5 trades in a row, you need to minimize the risk for your losses. After all, you can lose all 5 of them too. For that reason, some traders use a 2% gap for their stop loss levels. If you are willing to make some profit, you also need to risk some money. In this way, even if you lose 5 times in a row, you'll be losing only 10% of your capital rather than losing 25 or even more. So let's say I have entered a trade this time at here, right? And again, my target level is the next resistance zone. Then my stop loss level will be only about 2%. In this way, even if I lose 5 times in a row, I'll be losing 10% of my capital rather than losing more. And if you actually know where to take your trade, then this 2% gap is quite enough for you. The third way is the moving average, where we use the shortest period of moving average and the middle period of moving average, which is 20 and 50. In this method, when the price touches with the shortest moving average, at that time, if the mid moving average is slightly higher than the shortest one, then we can put our entry level in here, and our stop loss level will be the top of the next moving average. That is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our content. If you did, please drop a like under the video, and if you would like to see more of our content, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.